Before filing claim application for Lake Bistineau land title stability patent, there are some questions that need to be answered and documents that will help when completing the form. Is my land shown within the omitted area of the map? If the land or a portion of the land is within the omitted area, did I inherit the land or an interest in the land? Or did I buy the land or an interest in the land? Or was the land or an interest in the land given to me? To assist with completing the form, have the following documents available: a copy of the deed, will, court-ordered granting ownership, property tax information. Filling out the form. Start with Form 2540-1. Block 1. Need the applicant's legal name, BLM. BLM will use the name when issuing the patent. If there is more than one applicant for a parcel, please use additional sheets. Block 2. The address needed is the applicant's mailing address. If there is more than one applicant for the parcel, include this on the additional sheet. Block 3. A phone number will be used to contact applicants when there is a need to clarify information provided in the application. If a phone number is not provided, BLM will correspond through mail when there is a need to clarify information provided in the application. Block 4 is partially filled in. Under subdivision, provide tax lot number. This information is found in the Bowshire Parish property tax information. Block 5. Skip. Block 6. Check the yes or no box. Provide additional information when checking the no box. Block 7. List the type of documents you believe gave you ownership. Block 8. When did you learn that you did not have clear title to the land? Block 9. How did you find out that you did not have a clear title to the land? Block 10A. Check the yes or no box. If marked yes, complete Block 10B through 10E. Block 11A through 16A, skip. A signature is required for each applicant to finish the form. This can be done as follows: by filling out the date, printing the form out, and signing, or by printing out the form, dating, and signing, or when using a hard copy of the form, by dating and signing. An applicant who is listed on an additional sheet must sign their information on the additional sheet. Next is Form 2540-2.